Hi Herman, this is Lee Madrix from Artist SEO. This is the custom video that we promised you. This is to show you some tips and tricks of how to increase your online presence and get some more traffic to your website and also get more jobs per month. So I've got your website open here and looking through it. I really like the pictures that you've used. The layout is very nice and clean. The one thing I wanted to cover is around website content. So looking through your homepage, you only have about 300-400 words of content. So Google recommends that you have at least 1,000 words of content, and this is because when they go through websites and crawl them, they're trying to extract the necessary keywords to index you and to put them in your search, into their search engine. So if you have at least 1,000 words of content, then you make their job much easier to do that and to rank you. So yeah, if you can increase your website to 1,500 words, that would be great. Looking at your main competitor, in my opinion, I really like your website more. I do like that they use the video in the background, but it's quite busy at the moment. You'll see that they have a bit more content than you. They're doing pretty well. They're probably sitting around 1,000 words of content. Still not completely at the 1,500 meter mark, but they're getting close, but they're still quite beatable. The next thing I want to go over is the Google search results. So looking at Dakbeheer in Amsterdam, the first section you do see coming up here is the Google ads. This is very nice because it's prime real estate right at the top, so a lot of people will be clicking on here, so you're getting a lot of quick traffic to your website. But unfortunately you do pay for every click that people have, so it is expensive in the long run. The second part I want to go over is the Google map listing. So this shows the relevant businesses in the area. It's quite nice. You can quickly see your contact number and website, so people can quickly action on your website. And to be in these top 3 positions is interesting. It's great because statistics show that between 30 and 40% of traffic of people actually coming through you will actually click on one of these 3 links. So it's very important to actually be listed in these top 3 positions so you can get all that traffic. So how do you get there? Well, you need to increase your number of citations. And all that a citation is really a combination of your name, of your company name, your telephone number, and your physical address. So you want to get those listed in various directories. Directories you can think about like Yellow Pages or the phone book. So the more of those kind of directories you get listed on, then the higher you'll be placed on this Google map listing. I normally try to aim between 100 and 200 just to sort of guarantee myself to be in this top 3 position and getting that traffic. The next part I want to go over is the organic search result. Also very, very interesting because this is the relevant results that Google finds is most relevant to the search term that you've typed in. And statistics show actually that 29% of people click on the first link, 15% on the second link, and 10% on the third link. There's actually less than 9% of people that will go past the first page of Google to the second page beyond. So very important to actually be in these top 3 positions so that you can actually get all that traffic and all those searches to your website and becoming potential jobs. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, I'll show you that next. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and this tool allows me to put a website address into the search bar here, and it will spit out a bunch of numbers. So these are the numbers that Google will use to actually rank your website into the search results. The first thing I want to go over is the UR. That's your trust rating, and that's how much Google trusts your website. And your DR is your strength index, and this is how strong Google thinks your website is. So you're sitting at 0, so they're not trusting or ranking you at the moment, which is unfortunate, and we could probably do some work to increase that. And the backlinks and the referring domains are the important bits to actually rank you to the top of Google. So the higher the number of backlinks and referring domains, the better, but also the quality of the links are very important. Not all backlinks are created equal. So all that a backlink is really just a link from another website to your website. It's basically a shout out from their website to yours. Just to make sure that you exist and Google can find you that way. So the higher the number, the better. At the moment, you're sitting at about 49 organic traffic, so about 49 people per month are finding your website online. So you of course want to see if you can increase this number to get more jobs. And Google's finding about 12 keywords from your content of your website. So one of the reasons why you want to increase the number of content. So looking at your main competitor there, looking at their numbers, their trust rating is sitting at a 23. Their strength index sitting at 25, so quite a bit higher than yours, and also has a nice 1-to-1 ratio, but still quite beatable. their backlinks are much higher, and this is why they're number one for specifically around the Amsterdam offices that they have. They're sitting at 232 and 69, but still very beatable. For the Amsterdam offices specifically, not looking at the other branches, they are being picked up for 7 keywords. We can take a look at what those look like. And they are getting 457 monthly visitors just for the Amsterdam office every single month. So a lot of extra jobs that is going to your competitor and not actually coming to you. And this is the kind of traffic that you want in your business. So what are those keywords? So let's take a look. So the keywords that were picked up for was Dakbeheer Amsterdam. So this is something I'm sure that you would like to be picked up as well for. So at the moment, there's about 800 people per month searching for Dakbeheer Amsterdam. And because this is your main competitor, they're getting about 1/3 of this traffic every single month. Now, that's a lot of traffic that you could be getting. And you can see the same thing for Dakbeheer Bedrijf, or Dakbeheer or Dak leakage, etc. So there's 150 people or 100 people per month searching for those key terms. So all this traffic, you really want to be able to actually navigate and get to your website and to book those extra jobs. So just to quickly summarize, if looking at your website, you want to see if you can increase your number of content to 1,500 words or more to make it easier for Google to rank you on their search engine. If you want to be on their Google map listing, you want to ensure that you get your citations up as high as possible. And third, you want to be in the top 3 positions of the organic search results, and you want to increase the number of backlinks and referring domains that you have while keeping the quality. As I said, this is all free tips and tricks that you can use immediately, and I really hope you do so to get more jobs booked and more traffic to your site. If you want to find out any more information around how this works or how you can implement it, or even if you want me to implement it for you, then please feel free to reach out. I'm available to help out where I can. Either way, I really hope the best for you, and I really would appreciate a line of feedback just to let me know if you found this useful or not. I'm trying to help out a bunch of local businesses in the area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.